Hello students, today we are going to start class 3rd subject EVS chapter 10 means of communication. Communication is the act of sending or receiving messages and information. Most people communicate orally by listening and the writing. Back in time, people used to communicate by beating drums and sending smoke signals. Later, pigeons were used to send and receive messages. Then, messengers were went on foot and horses to deliver messages. This took a lot of time. Soon, faster means of communication were developed and they involved with light. So, here is some old communications. Here the drums, pigeons, horses, and smokes are the way to deliver the messages. But nowadays we develop the way. Now, first common means of communication, postal communication. The postal system is the one of the cheapest and the most popular means of communication in the post office. We can buy postage stamps, inland letters, envelopes, and postcards. First, letters are written on plain paper and put inside the stamp envelope. Letter can also be written on postcard, and you can see here the postcard. The name and the address of the person we are sending the letter to is written on the envelope or postcard. A pin code of postal index number is the must to write so that the letter reach the correct address. Letter is then posted in the post office. The letter are then carried by buses, trains, aeroplanes, or ships to different cities and countries. Finally, a postman delivers the letter to the respective address. Now, postal service, speed post. The speed post office service called the speed post, which deliver letter and it passes much faster. Registered post. It is costlier than ordinary post. It can be used to send important letters. Electronic communication. So we have electronic communication is first is telephone and the mobile phone. The telephone is the fastest means of communications. Calls within the country can be made at a low cost, but international call cost more. Mobile phone do not require wire and thus can be used anywhere. They are also facilities of accessing the internet for making video calls and clicking photographs. Now a facsimile fax machine. A fax machine can be used to send written messages, letters, or picture within a few minutes through a telephone line. So internet is the network that links computer all over the world. Email is used to send messages and pictures from one computer to another. Email is a quicker, cheaper, and the most popular method of sending messages. Now, mass communication. Letters, emails, telephone, and fax machine are the means of personal communication. They are used to send messages to only one person or a small group of people at the time. They are used to send messages to only one person or a small group of people at the time. There are times when we need to communicate with large number of people at the same time, and we can do that through radio, television, newspaper, books, magazines. They are known as the means of mass communications. So here you can see the magazines picture, radio, television, and the internet. Now, communication without speaking. There are some people who cannot speak or hear. They communicate through the sign language. The sign language consists of 26 hand symbols, one for each letter of the alphabet. They watch the lip movement or the other person and understand what the person is saying. So here we complete now. First is communicate, beating messages, developed, postal communication, speed post, register post, envelopes, postcards, telephone, mobile phone, facsimile machine, internet, mass communication, speaking. Now come to the exercise. First question is dash is the act of sending or receiving messages is communication, and the spelling is COMMUNICATION. Second one is dash is the fastest way to send written messages is fax machine, and the spelling FAXMACHINE. Third one is dash and dash use sign language to communicate. Dumb and deaf, DUMB, and DEAF, deaf. The dash system is the oldest and the cheapest system of communication is postal, POSTAL. The dash is the network that link computer all over the world is internet, and the spelling is INTERNET. Now true false. We communicate only with our self. False. Nowadays a very few people have mobile phones. False. People who cannot talk communicate through a sign language. True. We send letters and parcels through post office. True. Now the match the following. Name, address, pin code is to be written clearly before posting a letter. Speed post costlier than ordinary post. A fax machine send and receives photographs, pictures and the messages immediately. Verbal communication, speaking to someone. No verbal communication, communicating through signs. Now the question number D. After the difficult words you have to do in your copy. What is communication is on page number 61. The communication is the act of sending or receiving messages and the information, and it's on page number 61. Now the second one, what are the means of communication, is on page number 62 and the 63. Postal communication and mass communication. Now question number 3. What is the speed post? Does it cost the same as the ordinary post? It's on page number 62. The post office offer to service called speed post, which delivers letters and the parcel much faster, and register post it is the costlier than the ordinary post. Now last one. Why do we use mass media? Name any two from the mass media is on page number 63. When we need to communicate with the large number of people at the same time, we can do so through radio, television. So it's your, and these are known as the means of mass communication. It is your answer number 4. So we have completed chapter 10. Thank you.